Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create an account on Happn. I wonder why you want to know how to create an account on Happn. Maybe because you're looking for something like relationship or maybe to date someone. Therefore, you want to create your account so that you could find a partner. Or maybe in general, you think that if you look and find someone from this app, you might be interested into them, or there could be any other reason for you to create your account on Happn. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can create your account on Happn. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. You just have to simply download the app from Google Play Store or App Store, and once the Happn app get installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app will look at first. It will show you 2 to 3 options through which you can create your account. You can use your Apple ID, you can go with your Gmail ID, and you can go with your Facebook ID. So it's all up to you. Whatever option you want to go with that, just simply click on it, provide your email address and other information, and then it will create your account and it will take you to the next step. There you again have to add some of the information like here. Now here, if you have entered your email address, it will ask you to add your name. So here you have to make sure that you enter your correct name, because on this app most people are with their correct name. Then you have to choose your date of birth. First you have to choose your date, and after that the month, and at the last you have to choose the year in which you were born. Then simply click on confirm and it will take you here. Now it will take a while to process your email and other information that you have just entered, and then it will take you here. Now it is asking for some of the permission, so you may allow or deny it. It's all up to you. You can go with any one of these options and it will ask you like 1 or 2 permissions. So it's all up to you. You can go with any one of these options, but the app will be allow you to create your account. Once you get here, there you will see all these options, but before that it will ask you for your gender. So here you have to choose within these 2 options and click on confirm. Then they will ask you that who are you interested in. So there we have 3 options. You can go with whatever you think is the correct one for you, and once you click on confirm, it will ask you to upload your profile picture. So you just have to simply tap onto this box option, and once you tap onto this box option, it will show you 2 options. Either you can click a picture at the moment, or you can choose any picture from your gallery. So here I am going with the second option, in which I will choose a picture from mobile phone gallery, and here I have selected this one. Likewise, you can choose any picture of your choice. You can drag and select which part of the photo you want. Then simply click on confirm and it will take you there. Now it will again take a while and it says that your photo is perfect and now your account has been created. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create your account on Happn. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.